again, this is the game number 2 for men's volleyball.
Yeah.
So welcome our official referees for this match, J.L. Ambrico and Mark Marino. For Guardians first 6, we have jersey number 10, Pato, jersey number 9, Casinas, jersey number 2, Sarahina, and jersey number 22, 23, Bacolina, and jersey number 15, Gamila, and wearing jersey number 17, Sabale. For Polaris, we have jersey number 19, Coral, jersey number 8, Duero, jersey number 2, Namora, jersey number 12, Canones, jersey number 15, Eva, and jersey number 3, Marquez. Our starting service for this match is for Guardians. On the service line, Guardians team captain, Sanarina. Good service. Received by Namora and an over coming from Coral. Nice hit and nice block coming from Batay Duero. Wala makakapasok sa block and outside. Score goes to Polaris. On the service line for Polaris, Coral. Good service and nice receive from Batoy. There's a touch. Score goes to Polaris. Again on the service line, Coral. Good service from Coral, received by Sarahina. There's an error coming inside the Guardians. There's a double error on the side of Guardians. Once again on the service line, Polaris. Alright. Nice to come from Baboy, but it's not over. On his fourth serve, Quara. Second from Somalia, and a chance ball given away Baboy. And there's a hit coming from Bueno. Ball break by Guardians. Another chance ball, but it's outside. Score is 5-0 in favor of Polaris. And a serve coming from Coral. And a set from Somalia. Baboy. That is a successful hit. Score is 5-1. Now serving Guardians by Sabale. Nice to see coming from Marquez. And not over. Another point goes to Guardians. Score now is 5-2. Nice up there coming from Somalia. And nice to see. Inside of Polaris, giving the service aids to Guardians. On the service line once again, Sabale. There's a service error coming from the side of Guardians. And the lead is now back to 3. The score is 6-3 on the service line. Bueno. That is outside. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan ng Polaris. Score now is 6-4 on the service line. Messinas. Nice service and a nice achieve from Duero. And that's a big attack coming from Namora. On the service line, Namora. And that's a nice hit. Coming from Tracy number 10, Pator. Score now is 7-5, and on the service line, Baboy. Nice to see coming from Canones, and yun, nakitaan, dito sa gitna, hindi na may babalik pa ang bola. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Polaris. Score now is 8-5. On the service line, Polaris leading captain, Canones. There's a strong service. That's a service error. Outside. On the service line for the Guardians, Lamila. Pinalik. Another service error. Score now is 9-6 in favor of Polaris. And on the service line, Reyes. Nice to see there coming from Guardians. Nice hit, but it's a block. Behind pa ang bola. And a hit coming from Baboy. Successful hit. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan. Now it's Guardians service. On the service line, Baculino. And see coming from Reyes. And see here coming from Guaran. Error on the side of Guardians. On the service line, and Nice in here, para sa Polaris. Hindi na ang bola. That point goes to Polaris.
Icing man tonight. Nakuha ng Polaris. Dito! That's point for Polaris. Still in the service line are the Darling Lady. Ian Jasper. Sabay to serve. Reception error for Polaris.
Score now is 12-8 in favor of Polaris. Around the service line for Guardians. Their team captain, Salina. Nice to see Beganones. And there's a hit from Guerrero, but it's not over. Still on the service line, Saranina. Nice service, and it's misreceived. Service ace for Guardians. Score now is 12-10. Still in favor of Polaris. Another service here coming from Saranina. Chance ball. Umabot sa bubong. Sumasabay sa ulit ang panahon ng laban ng Guardians of Polaris. Another service here coming from Saranina. Nice to see coming from Eva. And Amora. Nice hit from Baco. Score now is tied at 12. Inside of Guardians. Score now is 12-13. Now leading on Guardians, and they're now leading with 1 point. On the service line once again, Guardians team captain, Saranina. Nice to see him. And there's a head by Matt Uber. Dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Guardians. Score now is 12-14. Nice service coming from the team captain. And successful hit right there. Score goes to Polaris. On the service line for Polaris, Coral. This is received by Baculina. And score once again is tied to 14. Good service from Coral. And score goes to Polaris. Lamang naman ng Polaris this time, 15-14. Nice service coming from Coral. Sent by Sabale. Successful hit by Baco. Score now side to the team once again. Service line, Sabade. Nice to see by Marquez. And Sopo. On the side of Polaris and score goes to Guardians. Nice service here coming from Sabade. And a hit coming from Duero. Nice hit, but it's outside. Laban-laban, bawi-bawi. Ang score natin ngayon. Very sexball. Service coming from Duero. And that's the service is. Nice service from Duero. And nice to see coming from Bakunaw. Chance ball. Here's the quick pero. Sumabe. Score goes to Guardians. And we are now tied to 17. On the service line, Messinas. Nice service. Hold it down. Billy kicks the net. Nice service coming from Messinas. And a hit coming from Reyes. Coming back with Lahina. Score now inside to 18. On the service line, Lamora. And to see from Batoy, pero nagkakabili na. Chance ball by Canones. Another chance ball on the side of Garzans. That's a good move, and it's inside. Lamang na naman ang Polaris this time. Bawi-bawi lang yung score. 19 to 18. Nice service by Namora. Service 8. Time out. Called upon by Garza. We're now back to the ball games.
Let's go, Nene! Go, Nene!
Still on the service line. Namora. Nice hit. Bounce outside. Ano ang hapon? Another service line. We're right up straight now. Nice hit coming from. Good save. Set by Canones, second back by Reyes. Nice back. Nice hot coming from Batoy. Kahit ganun pong score natin, 20. Still on the service line for Guardians. Paco. And that's Paco Reyes. That's outside. Score now is 20-21 in favor of Guardians. Nice service coming from Paco and a nice receive by Canones. Eva, and another hit from Baboy. And there's a once again. Hit by Shangalina. Reyes, that is a successful hit. Point goes to Polaris. And balik na naman po tayo, 5-21. On the service line, Polaris team captain, Jamel Canones. Nice service, and a nice receive coming from Savannah. Pero there's some miscommunication. This time, the Mountain Polaris 22-21. Still on the service line, Canones. Nice receive. Set by Savannah and a hit coming from Savannah, but it's outside. Score now is 23-21 in favor of Polaris. Nice service by Canones. It's a backward attack coming from Baboy. Successful hit. Service line, Gamila. Nice to see by Duero. Panasalit na natin. And there's an error on the side of Polaris. 4 goes to Guardians. And another time out. That's the first set of our game number 2 between Polaris and Guardians. Score is tied to 23. And now serving is Guardians. Still on the service line, Gamila. Service error, and it's outside. Score is 24-23. Set point. Now serving Reyes. And then set right here. Polaris. On the service line, Eva. There's a nice service. And that service is on the side of Polaris. On his second serve, Eva. Nice to see. Shangalina, nice hit. And that is not over. Serving Eva. Set by Savannah. Eva. That hit is wrong. Outside. Score now is 0-3 in favor of Polarios. Nice service by Eva. And a big hit coming from Bato. Service Mamora. Nice hit. Once again, Bato, successful hit, pero there's the coverage. The Polarios chance ball. That's a nice coverage. Score 0-4 in favor of Polarios. Nice service coming from Eva. And another service. We are now back to the ball game. Once again, score is 5-0 in favor of Polarios. We are now in the second set of our men's volleyball match between Polarios and Garzas. Still on the service line, Eva. Nice to see by Patoy. And nice hit. Hindi na nagbalita ang bola. Score goes to Garzas. Score now is 5-1. On the service line, Sapale. Here comes the Carones. And a chance ball by Namora. Dahil nasa... Ano ba? Sayang. Muntik na ako mag-transfer. Still on the service line, Sapale. There is a good ball. Score now is 2-6. Nice service by Coral. All good? Substitution. Manila out. Bautista in. Okay, balik na tayo. Score is 2-7 in favor of Polarios. Still on the service line, Coral. Service error. Now serving for Gorgeous, Messinas. Another service error. Binalik ang bola sa Polarios. Score now. Balik sa lima, Kalamangan 83. And another service coming from Duero. So, nasakali po na sa miscommunication between Mata and Bautista. Still serving, Duero for Polarios. Nice service. And nice hit coming from Patoy. And nice coverage here coming from Polarios. And successful block this time. Score goes to Garzas. Nice service by Patoy. And that is outside. On the service line, Namora. Nice coverage from Juanes. And Binibini Abona. Score goes to Polarios. Score now is 11-4. Nice to see by Matoy. And a hit. Coming from Sarina, and it's outside.
Ano, walang sub? May part-table player?
So on the service line, Namora. Nice service. Hit coming from Masinas. Nice improvement coming from Reyes. Yes, ayun na.
Dami mo na ko.
Lumiwan na ng buhay. Time out. Hold by Gonzalez. Still serving for Polaris. Namora. Strong service. Good catch from Bautista. There's a slight miscommunication for Polaris. Hindi na ibalik ang bola. Sa ulo po ang kalamangan ng Polaris, score now is 4-14. That's a strong hit, but it's outside. Nilulumot na po siya sa service line ng Mora. Good service, ang nice to see. Pero bumalik na agad. Muntik pa matapin, no? Score goes to Guardians. Balik sa 10 kalamangan, score is 5-14. And on the service line, Bautista. Nice service.
Ano ate?
Mas di pa rin mabalik ang bola buhay pa. Yung lang sumobra. Ang bigay ni Morales. Still on the service line, Bautista holds one over. Service error. Substitution. Domila in, Bautista out. Score is 6-16. Sa pangalaman ng Polaris. And on the service line, Canones. Nice to see by Domila, pero binalik agad. Isa here coming from Coral. Ahead of Pilipinas! Still serving. Polaris team captain, Canones. Outside. Service error.
Joshua, kung pinapanood mo tong video na to,
Balik sa 10 kalamangan. Polaris this time. And on the service line, Bacolina. And on the Gomez service error. Now serving for Polaris, Reyes. Nice service and a nice reception here coming from Batoy. And a hit coming from Saragina. Eva. There's another strong hit by Batoy. And over. Balik sa 10 kalamangan ng Polaris. Score right now is 8-18. On the service line, Rising team captain, Saragina. Service error. Bigay ng puntos. Namora out. VP Mayo in. On the service line, Eva. On the service. And a hit here. Robin from Batoy. Point goes to the Guardians. Score now is 9-19. On the service line, Sabale. Outside. On the service arrow on the side of Guardians.
Joshua, papasukin tayo ng players!
Nice hit here coming from Batoy. Hindi na may ganun pa ang bola. And score goes to Guardians. On the service line for Guardians, Messinas. Nice service and nice to see by Canones. Hindi na may ganun ang bola. Nice service from Messinas. And nice to see coming from VP Mario. Nice hit by Messinas. Nice up here by Moran. And a hit from Duero. Here coming from Saragina. Nice hit from Duero. Score goes to Benares. Service line, Duero. Sabale, and set here. Go, Duero. Let's go. Hindi na lang tinamaan. Ay, Arne sa akin. Sorry. On the service line, Batoy, and it's inside. Score now is 13-21. Walo up na lang ang Pinares this time. And still on the service line, Batoy. That's the service line. On the service line, Marco Harris, VP Mario. That's the service line, coming from Pinares. Multiple substitutions here. Baka, in, Ferrari out. Simmons. Reyes out. Mapa, in. Score now is 14-23. Favor of Pinares. And on the service line for Guardians, Lamilla. Nice service right here. Pero binalik agad yung Mapa. Set coming from Canones and a hit. And it's not over. Coming from Duero. Walo na lamang ang kalamangan ng Polaris. Score 17-23. Still on the service line, Camila. And service. Nice and and that is inside. Match point here from Polaris. So lamang ay secure. First to win. Nice service coming from Canones. And a hit from Batoy. Slight miscommunication. So Pensabale. There's Ranina. And nice coverage from Duelo. Eva. Nice coverage from Ranina. And score goes to Garza. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Score 16-24. On the service line, Macolino. Outside! That means this match goes to Polaris. Congratulations to the Mighty Griffins for securing their first win. With the LCN Cup 2026. That wraps up our valuable match.